Okay, so we took the engine out and moved it back over into its corner over there. And we're going to take a look at our mark here that we marked while it was put together. And there's two marks on here. The one in the back is the one we just made. So it looks like we got about 3/8. Yep, that's right about 3/8. So it's not, I think they want a 1/2 inch, but 3/8 is going to have to do, because we can't push the drive shaft any further that way, because then we won't be able to get the coupler to couple up. So that'll be the measurement we stick with. Well, torque tube's ready to put in. I guess next step is to, I still haven't taken the old torque tube out of there, so that'll probably happen tomorrow, and then we can install this torque tube, put the rear suspension back in, and then we can get back to the actual engine conversion part of this project.